Say hi, Jalen.
Hi.
Don't put your face up here, because don't put your
Mom,
face up
I
here.
love that.
Okay, girl. Well,
Mom, can I see the colors?
I gotta finish. Can I finish showing the people?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on, folks? It is Adina here at Miss Dina 610, and I am here today to share with you this palette. It is called Aftershock, and it is by Bad Habit. So if you want to see me do a look with this palette and also discuss where it came from, and you want to see some swatches, stay tuned. Guys, I finally got my hands on the Aftershock palette. If you don't know, I am a complete color junkie. Like, all of my palettes are extremely colorful, and maybe one day we'll go through the whole like collection, blah 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 blah, so you guys can see. But I am an absolute color freak. So this palette here is called Aftershock, and I got this palette for $10. So there are 4 of these palettes in the, I guess, quote unquote set that they released, and they're each $10. However, they do sell them on the Hush app in a bundle that they call the After Palette Collection bundle, and you can get that bundle for $30. I'm looking at it right here. So for $30, you'll get this palette, which is Aftershock. You'll get After Hours, After Party, and After Dark. And each of the palettes has their own like look and feel. So that's them there. And you can get all 4 of them for $30 versus paying $10 for each of them. And they are out of stock right now. So hopefully they'll be coming back in stock, because ain't nobody got time for that. The packaging is bomb. It's colorful, it's bright, just like the palette. It's got the names of the colors on the back. And it's small, and these are supposed to be a take on the Huda Beauty small palettes that she has for 20-something bucks. I don't own any of those. I'm sure they're wonderful, but the way that, you know, my checking account is set up, okay, in my budget with these children, yeah, this $10 is good. And I'm expecting the quality to be bomb, because the other ones that I have ordered from them from Bad Habit have been amazing. So this is the palette. Love these colors. OMG. Let me do it this way so that thing don't blind y'all. So we got Surge, Tingle, Plur, Drop, Electronica, Chaser, Light Show, BPM, and Sensation. Those colors are amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's just do a few finger swatches of the palette so you guys can see which one you want to see. You want to see this turquoise, don't you? Boom. I got you. Turquoise. And let's take a look at this like red, this like deep cranberry happy red. That is it right there. That is Surge. And let's see. Oh, this blue. Let's see what this blue got popped. Ooh, it's so buttery, like bomb. Maybe my light's too bright. So I have kids running in and out. Say hi, Jalen.
Hi.
Don't put your face up here, because don't put your face
Mom,
up
I
here.
love that.
Okay, girl. Well,
Mom, can I see the colors?
I gotta finish. Can I finish showing the people?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what this yellowy, it's like a yellowy, oh, that's pretty.
Mom,
Look at that. We got one more we can try.
It's purple.
Yes. Let's try this little light pink here. Yes, it is.
It's purple.
take my Maybelline matte and poreless in 355. Can y'all see it? 355 coconut. Just give it a little shaky shake. Okay. Oh crap! I dropped the top all over myself. Because that's what smart people do. Y'all, and let's just chat for a second. I am so glad that Ulta is fixing to get their shit together and you know, about reselling open makeup. Cause listen, just cause it's drugstore don't mean that we want other people's germs and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do us like that. That's crazy. Like, I had to dig through the bottles that were at my Sephora, I mean my Ulta for this, because the Ulta was the only one that had my color. So I had to get my dig on, and this is a new foundation for me, so I don't want y'all to judge me too harshly, okay, by how it looks if it does not match, but I do believe it will. And this sponge, y'all, listen, this sponge, this beauty blender is by oh, I got product all over my finger. Is by Juno & Co, right? Listen, let me tell you something about this here sponge, okay? First of all, I'm gonna tell you, you know, you need to go get one. That's what I'm gonna tell you first of all. First and foremost, okay? That's what I'm gonna tell you, is you need to go get you one, okay? Because this beauty blender is so bomb. Like, personal opinion, so bomb. Hey, your foundation ain't half bad. Not half bad. Pretty good. It's Makeup Shayla would say. Do y'all watch Makeup Shayla? You should. She is bomb.com. But this sponge is so bomb, and it's like you it's like a brush and a sponge together. You gotta go to the Juno website and check it out. junoandco.com. I put the link down below for you to get you one, and it's $4. It's like all spongy and it feels all brushy. Like, it's bomb. I enjoy it. My girlfriend Connie, makeup lover for life, she enjoys it as well. We have shared many notes and conversations about it. This foundation ain't half bad. I'm all right with that. I go under my chin, but I try not to go down my neck because it'll get everywhere. All right, children. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, I like it. Come on. Come on. It's a little more like cakey than well, not really cakey. That's not the word I want to use. A little more fuller than I normally use, but I love it. I do. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so now I know I can go order me some extras. Like, now I can stockpile on a lower end drugstore foundation, which is only $5.94 at Walmart. Okay, $5.94 at Walmart, $7.99. Is it? No, I think it's 10 at Ulta, and like everywhere else I've seen it is like $7.99 or $9.99. $5.94 down to the Walmart. Okay. All right. So, do I feel red? I don't. I feel like I'm pretty good. I do like it. Y'all hear all that confusion? I need to go in there, don't I? Okay. I'm gonna go in there. See what they got going. Starting to gravitate towards one of these videos that I posted when I was in my previous marriage. Like, it's dumb old, and people are gravitating towards it, and I'm glad that people are. I'm glad they're enjoying it, right? That's the purpose of making art, right? So this is my final look. I don't do lashes, y'all. I don't know if I said in my other video, but I'm working towards a few things in my life, and lashes is one of them. I can't get hip, okay? So a friend of mine, Miss Connie, hey Connie girl, how you doing, Connie girl? Connie's gonna help me out with my endeavor to be better to get some lashes, because she told me that one of my looks was cute, but it could have used some lashes. So I'm gonna attempt to be better. We're gonna take the Tartist palette, which is one of the only Tarte purchases that I made because it was a collaboration with Makeup Shayla. I'm gonna take this shade here and contour the size of my face or whatever. For blush, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. Just It's got just a little light, little something. There's no mirror in here, but the pans are huge and bomb. Alright guys, well this is the final look. I skipped and I got some like eyeliner on my thing because my daughter ran up on me and it just went a little crazy. But this is the overall final look. My lips, I just used this Tender Tone in Tread Gently by MAC. It's really, don't tell nobody. And I used a lip liner called Blackberry Champagne, which is not sold anymore. I like stocked up on these like a few years ago from oh, what were they called? Star Looks or something like that. Anyway, it's my favorite pencil. It's a little purple, but this is the final look. I feel like they're very pigmented. The colors are really nice. I don't know, I like it. I enjoy it. I think I'm gonna like it. However, there aren't a lot of colors in there. I feel like palettes always need like some kind of brown or something, like some sort of transitional color, which this one doesn't really offer you. I mean, it's got the orange in there, which is what I put in my crease, and then I went over that with Tingle, the bright pink here, to kind of just give it some more color. And I took the Electronica and I went over top, like almost in the brow, not for the brow, but like above the chaser, which is the orange. And then I put Drop, the turquoise, on the lid, and then I put BPM on the outer corner, and just went back in with some more of the Drop to kind of blend it over and blend it all together. So that's what I did, just to kind of try out the palette, not to be like precise and, you know, be on the front page or to have somebody redo this tutorial at some point. So, but that's it. And then I got to try out my foundation. I really like it. This Matte and Poreless. I'm going to keep it on today. And you'll probably see this look in another video. Hint, hint, or whatever. So, as for this $10 palette, I would buy it again. I do plan on getting the others. Hopefully I can catch the bundle, and maybe I'll end up with another one and we could do a giveaway or something. I'm not saying that that's going to be the law at the moment, but maybe we could do that. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see any other videos, any other reviews of any Bad Habit palettes that you've seen, just let me know. I have the Athena palette, I have the Aphrodite palette, and I also have the what's the other one? Aura. But I have a video up on the Aura one, which I'll put, you know, wherever it goes. That little eye, yeah, just click the little eye, girl, and you'll see that. Or either, you know what? Let me just put it here for you. I'm going to put it right here. You see this right here? Go look at that Aura palette, baby. $12. And you'll also get to see my little baby. And she'll share some things with you about 30 seconds in. She's going to share some thoughts with you about it. Y'all go look at that.